In this video, we are going to create some projects in Microbit by making use of the if condition. Have you ever played the rock, paper, scissors game? It is also known as stone, paper, scissors game. In this game, each player chooses either a rock, paper, or scissors using their hand. The player having the hand that can destroy the other player is the winner. Example: scissor cuts paper and rock beats up scissor, while paper can throw out a rock. In this project, we are going to make Microbit show a rock or paper or scissor based on a random number that is generated. Here is the algorithm. Let us see how to make this project. Create a new project in Microbit. First, create a variable by going to the variable section. You can call this new variable anything you want. I am going to call it rand. Okay. Just like how we shake our hands before playing the rock, paper, scissors game, we are going to shake the Microbit to generate a random number. Based on that random number, we will make our Microbit show either rock or paper or scissor. Did you understand? Now let us take the onShake event. Then we set our variable to a random number between 1 and 3. Do you remember? We used the random number generator for our digital dice. That's correct. The random number generator is in the math section. Take the pick random instruction. So to decide whether we want a rock or paper or scissor, we need 3 numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a random number between 1 and 3. So on shaking, we are setting our variable to have a random number between 1 and 3. Now, based on what value is there in this variable, when the Microbit is shaken, we will decide what needs to be displayed. To do that, go to Logic and take the if-else block. So, if true, instead of true, we need to give the condition here. The condition is if the variable rand has the value 1. Go to Logic again and take the equal to operator. We need to check if rand has the value 1. That is, we need to check if rand is equal to 1. To do that, go to variables and take the rand. If rand is equal to 1, then we need to show rock. You can go to basic, use the show icon instruction to select any rock that pleases your eye. I click on the plus button over here to get an else if statement. So if rand has the value 1, we show a rock. Else if rand has the value 2, I'm going to show paper. Go to Logic again and take the equal to operator, variables and rand. If rand is equal to 2, we are going to show a paper. This one. If it is not 1 or 2, then control will go to the else block. So if rand has the value 3, then control will go to the else block. If rand has the value 2, control will go to the else if block. And if rand has the value 1, then control will go to the if block. This is called an if, else block. If rand has the value 3, we have to show a scissor. Our program is ready. Shall we test it? Shake the microbit. I got rock. I got paper. I got a scissor. Did you try this out? What did you get?
Did you understand how to use if conditions in Microbit? It is fun, isn't it? With this, we come to the end of our Basics of Coding course. I sincerely hope that you had fun while learning how to code. In Level 2, we will teach you how to make your own video game by applying the basic concepts of coding. Come on, it is going to be exciting and even more fun.